ओम नमो ब्रह्मण्यदेवाय गोब्राह्मणहिताय च जगद्धिताय कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। नमस्त्वनन्ताय सहस्रमूर्तये सहस्रपादक्किशिरोरुबाहवे सहस्रनाम्ने पुरुषाय सस्वते सहस्रकोटिजुगधारिणे नमः। Mantratantra and astrology are complementary to each others. It is said that astrology, the eyes of Hinduism, and mantra is its heart. Astrology facilitates to look into the problems, mantra invokes their remedies. Chanting of mantras and hymns stirs our nerves and awareness. Then, for suitable actions, every Vedic mantra have a spiritual efficacy. The recitation of particular spiritual efficacy, recitation of particular mantra by a person leads him a higher level of spiritual awareness. Before coming a malefic planet on his MD or AD, strong mantra remedy is advanced bell order. What is Mangalik dosha in horoscope? Accordingly, our research, when we are matching two horoscopes, we see the Mangalik dosha. It is placement of Mars on different places of horoscope. In every conjugal dispute, there one can observe Mangalik dosha. By scientifically, it means it's a bioelectrical function between brain and heart before sexual activity between male and female. One is agree and same time, second is disagree. The eighth place of horoscope represents sexual activity, dowry, widowness, deep research, secret knowledge, and it's a spiritual place also. The remedy of Mangalik dosha, Rekit one mantra, Delhi, Mangala Murati Marutanandana Sakala Amangala Mula Nikandana. It is a mantra of Lord Sri Hanuman. The remedy of eighth place or eighth lord is Rudravisheka. Without horoscope, one man can recite the second mantra of second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita on passing of malefic months. Kutastva kasmalamidam vishame samudastitam anarja justam asargamakartikaramardana. Good predictions makes a good astrologer, but take the responsibility of a higher remedial measure makes a good personality on astrology survival. Recite of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is a remedy for moon, fourth house, or own mind. Mercury creates impotency, infertility, childlessness, disagree for marriage. There is a remedy by scriptures. Vishnu Sahasranama, Mercury creates ambassadors. Om Jasya Smarana Matrena Janma Sangsara Bandhanad Vimuchyate Namastasmai Vishnave Praho Vishnave. Vishnu Sahasranama, remedy of Mercury. Banking and business showrooms are contribution of Mercury. With heavy production, Jupiter creates bear market. Saturn is responsible for bullish market due to less production and less supply. Intraday trading is ruled by the movements of moon. This business itself requires lots of quick decision taking ability and proportionately remedy, as there are equal chances of getting loss also. Every planet governs specific industry also. The creation of Venus, film industry, hotel, aviation, bureaucrats, beauty parlors, and more. Mars, Saturn, and Rahu have contribution and shows their effects on real estate business. Before registration of plots, before construction of heavy capital investment, remedy can perform systematic way. Previously, priority on higher level a spiritual remedy can break from loss, downfall, or collapse of any business, reduction of loss and increase of profit. Remedial measure can perform proportionately whenever trade of heavy machinery, infrastructure, real estate, FMCG, PSU, transport, consultancy, travel, foreign trade, merchant navy, cement, gas, auto, and stock market sectors. Thank you.